Welcome to Kids Academy. Look at these spooky haunted houses. Each house contains the numbers in a fact family. Tick the circles next to the ghosts that show the number sentences.
These ones, okay,
in each
25,
fact family.
15. Good.
Do this one goes over here.
All right, so this one is the fact family is 8, 6, and 14, all right? So look.
I know it.
Okay.
Nice going. Keep it up.
That's it.
That's really great.
That's really great.
Say the words. Check the box for the vowel sound that you hear.
Did you understand that?
Tap the green check button once you're done.
I'm excited.
Oh, yes. Okay. Short vowel detective. What do you think that is?
This.
What do you think that is?
This. Wait.
Nice going. Keep it up.
Okay, very good. Okay. I like that you're able to see that you made a mistake.
This.
Yeah, that's right, sweetheart. All right. Now, why don't you say what the word are?
Okay.
What the words are?
Okay. Pen. See. Clip.
Okay.
Wow, you did it all by yourself.
Mop. And men.
Is it the man or the cow? I don't know. Might be the cow.
Let's
Let's
check.
check. That's right, let's check.
You rock.
What? You got them all correct, honey. I guess you were right. All right, what else you got for me, sweetheart?
Play with me in the Kids Academy app and learn about math, reading, writing, and more. Scan the QR code or use the link in the description. Let's have fun!